And it is Saturday morning, April 16th, about 7:23 in the morning, and the sale's going to start today. We got kittens for $25, $50, and $100. Little orangies are $100. They just had all their shots and their ear mite drops last night. And they're gorgeous. The charcoal white one is $50. This guy right here is $25. $25. $50. $100. $100. $100. And they're beautiful, and they're healthy, and well husbanded. They come with birth certificates, and they're glorious. Glorious kittens for the weekend. There we go. Little pink noses. Little pink noses. Yes. Yeah. All right, and that's what we have for today. Thank you very much.